Good morning, Lions. Today is Tuesday, February 7th, 2023. Welcome to another awesome day here at Lenore Elementary. We're so excited you're here, and we know this is going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for mostly sunny skies at a high of 59. The yellow air quality flag is flying, which means the air is moderate for everyone. Now, we did have foggy day called, and fog wasn't the same in all areas. So know that it might have been just sort of foggy where you lived, but foggier where the buses go. So just pay attention to that foggy day schedule, ladies and gentlemen, because it is the month of February, and we do have lots of fog in February. All right, for lunch today, we will be having cheese nachos, and then breakfast for lunch, maple French toast sticks and sausage. All right, then birthdays. We have one birthday, Alaya Duarte, turning 11 to Miss Rinaldi's. Alaya has left us. She moved to New Mexico, but we want to celebrate her birthday. So if you have any way to contact her, tell her we wish her a happy birthday. All right, Lions. Attendance yesterday. 35 absences and 29 tardies. That was 94%. So much better, Lions. Good job. Keep up that good work. We want 95% or higher, and you were really close. Classes with perfect attendance: Barcelos, Cedillo, Charrington, Diaz, Mosqueda, Walker, and Zoida. All right, Lions. Just a few announcements. Again, we are on Foggy Day, but remember, we get out at the same time, which is great because we have soccer practice after school today, soccer practice tomorrow after school, and a game at Meadow Lane on Thursday. The buses, I just got word the buses will be leaving at 2:15. So I was thinking 2:20, but 2:15. So teachers, you can have the kids head out at like 2:10, and they can change at lunch. Players, okay? All right, Peach Blossom practice after school today. I believe that's in the library for those of you who wish to participate in that. And that'll be tomorrow as well. And then a reminder on Valentine's Day, next Tuesday, 1 week from today. We are not bringing any food. We're not having like food parties or anything like that. If you're wanting to bring Valentine's cards, check with your teacher, but no food in them. So no cookies, no candies, no suckers, none of that stuff. But you can bring other things like pencils or stickers or stuff like that. Also, the Valentine's grams are being sold. Miss Amy sent a message out to remind your parents. So your parents can order them, but they have to be turned in by Friday with the money. All right, and then also a reminder that we don't take deliveries, and you are not allowed to bring balloons or stuffed animals or anything like that. All right, also this month, we have Black History Month. Now, one of the reasons Black History Month came about, and especially in this month of February, it actually started as a week, right? And it was chosen for the week because it celebrated the birthdays of Frederick Douglass, who was an abolitionist, and Abraham Lincoln. If you ever have a chance, it's probably at a 7th or 8th grade reading level, maybe a little higher, but read Frederick Douglass's book, his journey from being a slave to being an abolitionist. It is a great read, and it teaches you a lot, and it's a first-hand account of his life. But that was the original reason that they chose this week in February. It covered both birthdays. Then in 1976, President Gerald Ford extended the week to an entire month. And so that was about 48 years ago, almost 49 years ago now, that Black History Week became Black History Month. So we're going to try to give you some facts so you can learn about why this month was established and kind of what you should be looking for or studying, because it is about history as well. And I'm a big history geek, so I love learning about people, places, and things that happened in history. All right, Lions. It also, this week, is National School Counseling Week. That's when we say thank you to our counselors. And so make sure, if you guys have a chance, maybe write Mr. B some thank you cards this week. Deliver them to him, or have your teacher deliver them. He would love that. Just also to let you guys know, Mr. B is helping out at Meadow Lane again with counseling. So on Tuesday and Thursday afternoons, he will not be here. And so that is going to be probably for the remainder of the year. We'll have to wait and see. But he is helping out at Meadow Lane. So just an FYI to all of you. Don't try to sneak in to see Mr. B. You shouldn't be sneaking in anyway. You need a pass. Okay? But he will be gone on Tuesdays and Thursday afternoons starting today. All right, Lions. That is really all I have, other than the fact that we are remembering to stay on task. Right, Lions? That means that we are, when your teacher's asking, you're sitting to attention, right? You are answering the questions, you're paying attention, you're following directions. That's part of being on task, all right? Also, I got a shout out. Mrs. Rinaldi would like to give a shout out to Joseph Anaya in 6th grade for helping another student pick up his lunch from the ground when he dropped it, along with all of his other belongings. Joseph went right over, helped without any hesitation to assist that student who needed help. Awesome job. That's what we want to see, Lions. That is showing roar. That is not only showing kindness to others, but it is showing all the elements of roar that we ask you for every day. All right, Lions. That is all I have for this terrific Tuesday. Remember, Lions, we are one school. We have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it is now time for the flag salute.